Convicted wife killer Scott Peterson will be back in court at least 3 more times this year as a new effort is launched to try and clear his name. Peterson's new legal team made a push before a California judge yesterday for new evidence to be presented that they say could prove his innocence. Peterson was convicted of killing his wife Laci and their unborn child Connor in 2004. He's now serving a life sentence without parole, although he has long maintained he is not guilty. Now, as the Los Angeles Innocence Project fights for evidence they say was withheld some 20 years ago, NewsNation's Laura Ingle has talked to a fire inspector who said he found evidence that was never investigated. She joins us now live from California. What did he find, Laura?
Hey, Elizabeth, right. That is really kind of the heart of where the LA Innocence Project has a list of items that they want the courts to look at and retest. I'm coming to you right now from outside Mule Creek State Prison. This is in Ione, California, and this is where Scott Peterson is right now. And this is where he was yesterday, appearing via Zoom in that court hearing where this item was discussed and where that evidence about the LA Innocence Project came about. We want to show you some video of what he looked like in court yesterday. You may have seen this making the rounds. As we saw him in his Zoom appearance, he's got kind of it looks slick back in the front, this new hairstyle, and a ponytail. He only said a few words really acknowledging the judge and that he could hear the audio of the court proceedings. But what was being discussed in this court hearing was this push from the LA Innocence Project saying that they want evidence in the case that they believe was not tested, that was missed, that wasn't handed over, given a second look. They are pushing back on the original prosecutors who were inside of that courtroom yesterday to turn it over to the court so they can have this second look. One of the big things is about this orange van. We've been talking about this, and that mattress in the back that he says, this fire investigator, Brian Spitulski, told me in a NewsNation exclusive what he found with that mattress. Take a listen.
Every time a documentary came on, I had these questions. I had this band information, and nobody was ever, interested at that time of what I had known.
Right.
So it was very frustrating. But what do? I mean, you hope that the system works.
Was there any follow-up that you were able to obtain reaching these people that were in charge?
No, there wasn't an attempt, and no, they wouldn't have given me any answers anyhow. Being outside of the case at that time, I was no longer part of the file. When I stopped working for the city of Modesto, I was no longer able to get any information on it.
That's the question we've been wanting to ask him, and we finally got it yesterday. Now we wait for these next set of court hearings, April, May, and July. Scott Peterson will appear via Zoom from this prison here behind me.
Thank you, Laura Ingle. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.